Well, I can't just make this and not taste it for you, so here goes. Now, just a note, two things here. I wanted you to notice that I cut this across the length of the grain, so that means perpendicular to the direction, the way the meat muscle fibers go. That makes it, you know, this is generally a tough piece of meat unless you cut it this way. Okay, I'm just kidding. It really is good. Now, just a quick note. Just a quick note on the cutting board. This is one of the only exceptions that I will use a wooden cutting board for cutting meats on. I generally won't cut meat on a wooden cutting board because I don't want it to cross-contaminate. Now, the exception to this is that I keep a really good control over my wooden cutting board because I sand it down and I oil it with mineral oil. Generally seals up the pores of the wood, making it a little bit safer than, you know, your standard wooden cutting board in a normal non-chef's home. At any rate, yeah, this cumin and chili powder work really well together, and it really only works when you have an acid juice. My acid juice choice of flavor is lime juice, as you saw earlier, and I wanted you to see how I make flank steaks so that you can apply it to fajitas, to really, really good quesadillas. I don't need to show you how to make that. That's pretty self-explanatory on all of those. I wanted you to see how I take care of the protein here. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, consider subscribing so that my videos can get more hits with more subscribers. That can happen. And I'm always trying to improve the content of my videos, whether it be through the content itself or the videography or the editing. Whatever it may be, I focus on that so that you guys aren't bored by my videos. Check me out on Instagram at Chef Nicholas J and at the Bee Pimp. I'll see you on the next one.